One simple conversation can change your confidence forever. Not speaking English is not a weakness. Staying silent is. Today, your English journey begins inside a restaurant. Every day, you tell yourself, I'll learn English tomorrow. And every day, opportunities quietly pass by. Talent means nothing if you can't express it. You think English means grammar, rules, perfect sentences. That belief destroys confidence. Real English is simple, and it lives in real places. Picture this moment. You walk in. Good evening. How may I help you? You don't need perfect English. You need courage. Just say this. I'd like to order, please. Sure. What would you like? I'll have this. One sentence, confidence unlocked. This is not restaurant English. This is life English. Can I see the menu? How much is this? Thank you. It was delicious. Every sentence makes you stronger. Confidence doesn't come from books. It comes from speaking, even when you're scared. English is not just a language. It's a tool. They are not smarter than you. They just started earlier. Start small. Start today. One skill can multiply your value. English doesn't change who you are. Shows the world who you already are. Here's the truth. Grammar never stopped you. Fear did. Speak broken English, but never live a broken life. Your first English lesson is waiting at the table.